Once upon a time, in a forest where the wind once danced with the trees, silence had taken over. A wildfire had swept through, leaving behind only ash and memory, blackened trunks, scorched earth, and emptiness. Birdsong was gone, the laughter of the leaves silenced. But one morning, a red fox returned. His name was Fenn. He walked alone. No pack, no family, only a small sack tied to his back and a purpose in his heart. Every day, Fenn dug into the earth with his worn-out paws and planted seeds, acorns, berries, tiny tree saplings, seeds of life, buried in a land of death. No one asked him to. No one helped him. No one even believed in what he was doing. A hawk flying overhead laughed and called out, "You silly fox! You think planting a few seeds will bring back a forest?" The deer, watching from afar, shook their heads. "It will take years, maybe decades. You'll be long gone before anything grows." But Fenn simply smiled. He whispered to the dirt beneath his paws, "Maybe I won't live to see the shade, but someone will rest under it." Seasons changed. Rain kissed the land. Sun warmed the soil. The forest, slowly, began to breathe again. Tiny green shoots pushed through the ash. One, then another. Like hope, rising. Fenn grew older. His steps slowed. His fur grayed. But every morning, he still walked the same path. Still planting, watering, hoping. One spring morning, something changed. A family of rabbits returned and dug a new burrow beneath a young tree. A pair of squirrels danced from branch to branch, their laughter echoing in the breeze. Birds returned, singing new songs, perched on trees that Fenn had once planted as seeds. The forest was alive again, and Fenn sat quietly on a hilltop, watching, smiling. Then, one day, he was gone. No one saw him leave. No one knew where he went. But the forest remembered. Years later, at the edge of that growing forest, stood a simple stone. It read, "Here lies Fenn, the one who planted hope." Animals brought flowers to that stone. Children of rabbits, birds, and squirrels grew up under the trees he had planted, and every creature in the forest knew the story of the fox who never gave up. We often wait for the world to change, but sometimes the world is waiting for us to begin. Even if no one believes in you, even if it takes years, a single act of love, a single step of effort can rebuild a forest. Moral of the story: great things take time. Even if the world gives up, one heart full of purpose can bring life back to where there was once only ashes.